My name is Rebecca and I'm from Sydney, Australia. I came here to study to be a theatre director and to participate in this wonderful art scene that exists here. Always there's something to do here and of course a great nightlife scene. So we start the tour at the CCP bar, CCP Russian for USSR, it's a Russian cocktail bar. We sign people up there from 9 till 10 o'clock. Make sure you bring your ID, really important that you bring your ID or we can't take you on the tour. The tour is suitable for everyone. We have people of all different ages from all around the world, singles, couples. It's great if you don't know anyone at all, or if you know a few people, you want somewhere you can take your friends along with you. We often have people commenting on how safe the tour is and what a nice vibe is created amongst the group, because you always have a sober tour guide who is looking after you throughout the whole evening.
Sexism, racism, homophobia, any of that shit, zero tolerance, we kick people straight off the tour.
Once we leave at 10 o'clock, we give you a little bit of intro about how the night's going to roll. We hop on the train and then we head to our bars. Lots of different types of bars in Prenzlauer Berg and in Friedrichshain. We go to a mixed bag of different clubs in the city. We mix it up every night.
There's some urban legend that the lion went missing somewhere in the city. I've tried to find out so many times if there's any truth to this.
So the tour guide will tell you the history of the bar, you'll get drink recommendations. If you are hungry or you need a bathroom or you need a train ticket, they have all this information for you and they will help you.
Enjoy it rather than smash it down.
This was one of the most fantastic tours I have ever been on.
Yes, it was really awesome. We went to, I don't know, like hidden bars.
I came across places that I wouldn't have come across if it wasn't for the tour guides and the tour. Had a fantastic evening.
And I met many very interesting people.
As a solo traveller visiting Berlin for the first time, felt really protected and safe, and there was a strong sense of fun through the evening as well.
It was great. I really love it.
I would highly recommend the tour group to anyone looking to find something new in Berlin for a night.
We get to the club at about 1:15, 1:30, so you can stay in that venue and drink for as long as you want, or you can talk to the guide and they can give you recommendations of other places to go out in the city so you can continue to explore. If you come along on our nightlife tour, whether it's me or any of the other tour guides, no one's going to be sad, everybody has a good time. You can't help it.